and then step back, swing the fist. Now, parry and punch. Now here is a tricky bit. We're going to step forward, grasping the bird's tail. And we know grasping the bird's tail, we've been doing it for ages. And then we've got our single whip, and we go into our cloud hands again. So let's just do that one more time. So here we've done fan through the back, step back, swing the fist, parry and punch. And this is a little bit tricky. The weight goes back, then it comes forward, and we're circling the hands here. And then just the single whip again, which we know.